Included along with the Project 2013 title are a set of working files. Those working files have been broken down into each chapter, as you see them here, chapter 1 to chapter 15. If you're looking to work along or looking to continue the work after each of the chapters, then you would need to make sure that you choose the correct working file from the correct chapter. Sometimes the same working file name will be used, but there will be slight differences in the file when you're looking from one chapter to another, depending on what has been explained or shown in that particular chapter. So if we were to pick on chapter 3 as an example, you see there's actually quite a few files in here. The ones that are used within each of the lessons will tend to be things like link types, my bedroom format. Now what I've also done is provided you with result files, and you'll see these are the same names but with underscore result at the end. For example there, my bedroom format underscore result is effectively the file as it would appear at the end of a lesson. So we would probably start the lesson with my bedroom format, and then the result of that file at the end is my bedroom format underscore result. That way you have the opportunity to start with the base working file, carry out, in this case, formatting, and produce the same result. So pretty much every working file that is used will also have an underscore result file to go with it. That's why a lot of the working folders are actually quite full. Chapter 12 is a nice short one. We have My Bedroom 2014, that will be the base file. My Bedroom 2014 with WBS, so that's the work-based system, and then underscore result for the same file. Just ensure that if you are using the working files, that you pick them out of the correct lesson folder. My Bedroom 2014 appears again, so this is not really the same file that was in chapter 12. It will be the same base file, but will possibly have a few slight nuances of difference to it. So if you're trying to emulate what has been carried out, then ensure that you take that base file from the correct chapter folder. All of them are available, all of them are listed and under the correct chapter heading.